Christmas.
Hi dear students and welcome to my tutorial. As you know, the seasons of Christmas is here, and so I have come up with a new DIY. In my previous video, I had taught you how to make our DIY Christmas tree. Today I'll be teaching you how to make our DIY snowman for the Christmas. This can act as a decoration, a hangy, also to keep it on your tables, and you can also hang it on your Christmas tree also just to give some extra variation. So let us come forward and see how to prepare our snowman. Materials required are white stretch cloth, some pom-pom, we need only red and white, glue gun, some black stones, these are the shiny stones, red felt, a pair of scissors, pins, this push pins, red ribbon, some white fur, Elmer's glue or the white glue, our thermocol ball which has to be two different sizes, one to be the base and one to be the head as such. So I'm using thermocol ball and I couldn't find the size of the thermocol ball for the head, so I used this one. These are the ping pong balls. And as exceptional, you can use these stones only or the spins, but I'm using these eyes. These are already prepared eyes which you can get in many of the shops, and you can use them as two eyes. So let us come forward and see how to make our snowman.